Hey everyone, welcome back to the Lipstickholics YouTube channel. I'm Huda Naveed and today I'm here with an amazing video for you girls. I did a poll yesterday on my Insta and Facebook where I asked you girls that whether you want me to film the smoky eye look video first or my favorite eyeshadow videos first. Many of you girls wanted me to do this smoky eye look video first, so here I am today with this gorgeous smoky eye look for you all. This is a really nice soft smoky eye look which I absolutely love, and I hope you're going to love it too. So keep watching the video if you want to know how I created this look. Before we get started with the tutorial, make sure to hit the subscribe button, yes, the one below, and yes, don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So firstly, I'm going to prime my skin using Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer Primer Plus Moisturizer. I am loving this stuff for winters. Next, I'm gonna take Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation, and I have recently reviewed this foundation on my channel, so you should definitely check out that review too. The shade I'm using in this foundation is F6. I'm using Morphe M439 brush to blend in the foundation. Next, I'm taking Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in shade C6. I'm using it as an eye base, using Sigma Beauty 3D HD brush to blend it. For this look, I'm just going to use one eyeshadow palette, that is Makeup Revolution Ultra Professional Eyeshadow Palette in shade Eyes Like Angels. I'm taking this pink matte shade from Makeup Revolution palette and I'm blending it in my crease and applying it on the outer corners of my eyes. I'm using Sigma Beauty E37 All Over Blend brush for this step, doing the same on other eye. Now taking this blackish grey shimmery shade from the palette, and I'm going to apply it on my lids using Sigma Beauty Firm Shader E57 brush. I'm gently patting this shade using Sigma Beauty E57 on my lids. I'm also making sure that this shade stays inside the crease on the lid area. Now I'm taking this Sigma Beauty E38 diffused crease brush and I'm going to use it to blend the corners and edges of the shadow that we applied and blend all the colors in the crease as well for a nice smoother look. Now as you can see, the colors look way less intense and they are all blended together perfectly and give a nice smoked out look. Time to add false lashes. Adding one coat of L'Oreal False Lash Wings Mascara. It's time to do my brows, and for brows I'm using Sigma Beauty Brow Powder Dew in dark. Now I'm taking this cream sort of shimmery shade on Sigma Beauty Exact Blend E32 to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm taking this white shimmery shade from the same palette on Sigma Beauty E21 and I'm applying it in the inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm applying Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in shade C6 once again under my eyes to conceal my dark circles and to remove any fallout from the eye makeup. I'm blending the concealer using Sigma Beauty 3D HD Precision Brush. I'm taking the same shimmery black shade on the tip of Sigma Beauty E57 and applying it just below my eyes, gently smudging it out. I'm taking the highlighting shade on Sigma Beauty Soft Blend Concealer Brush F64 and I'm applying it under my eyes to set my concealer. To contour my cheeks, I'm taking the darkest contouring shade from this palette by Artdeco and I'm using Arty contouring brush to apply and blend it. For my cheeks, I'm taking Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush in shade Mirage and I'm applying it on my cheeks using Sigma Beauty F40 brush. Now for that glow, I'm taking Makeup Revolution Renaissance Illuminate palette in shade Radiant in Rose and I'm taking the lightest shade from this palette and applying it using Sigma Beauty F35 brush. Oh, just look at that glow. I'm loving it. For my lips, I'm using ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in shade First Base. This is a gorgeous muted pink shade and will look great with this sort of smoky eye. Lastly, I'm using this Badescu skincare facial spray as setting spray. I'm testing this spray these days and I'm absolutely loving it so far. Okay, so the look is complete. I hope you like this look. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to share it with your friends and yes, don't forget to leave your lovely comments. Most importantly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. You'll be seeing me very soon in another video on the Lipstickholics YouTube channel. Till then, take care and goodbye.